Happy. You're live, buddy. It's time in the playroom, guys. Here they come, Happy. Here everybody comes. Just wait a minute. Just let everybody know. And then we're going to release the Happy. Yeah. You ready? You going to do some jumps for me tonight? Come down here. Happy. Let's flip this one over. How is everybody doing tonight? All right, so if you guys were with us live last night, and I said this in a live earlier today, we did 3 lives yesterday, and for some reason they all deleted from Facebook. I have no idea what happened or why, but we did a lot of giveaways last night. But we have everybody's name. We take screenshots of the winners, so we have the names. So everybody will get their stuff. Happy. You checking it out? You running around, you being brave? You gonna do some jumps or what, guy? You gonna do some jumps? Go, Happy. Go, jump. Oh, do the jumps. See, there's your big pillow you jump on. Look, Happy, come here. Jump, jump. Oh, yeah, off the wall, first try. Good job, Happy. Come over here, do it again. Do it good. He went off the wall, first try. That's the first jump. Thank you for the stars, Donna. Oh, boy. Look, there's a good picture of Happy. Happy, hey, man, where are you going? Because I'm playing. He said, turn the closet light on for me. Happy stays in this corner all the time. He says, this is my spot, man. You got swings? Come here. Come here, short. Let me show you what we got, Happy. Look, you can get on this right here and swing. Look, sit right there. Happy, get right there. Stay right there, look. Swing. See, Happy, it'll hold you. Oh, there's Happy's favorite swing in the whole world. He loves it. Are you going to get on it like you perch? No? Oh, there's a ball pit back there. Happy loves this swing. Is that your favorite? Happy. Say jump. Give me a jump, Happy. Come on. What's out there? What is it? You ain't gonna do nothing. If there was something out there, you'd run to me so fast. Oh, look at Happy. He's brave. You should jump from there to the big bag, bean bag. Jump, Happy. Sorry, guys, it's hard to watch the comments and keep centered on Happy, especially on the long comments. Kimberly, I couldn't see her last name. She said, you're so cute. Happy, are you cute? No, you're not all that cute. You're not that cute. Just a little bit. Oh, sissy. Hee hee. Hee hee. Go. Go, Happy. Big jump. That was a little bit of a jump. get him. I'm gonna get Happy. I'm gonna get him. I'm coming to get him. Come get on my shoulder then. Come on. Come get on my shoulder. Happy, you come get on my shoulder right now. Come here. Oh, Happy's not coming to Daddy. Hey, wait a minute. Now he's running around. You're not in trouble, Happy. Oh, hey. It's okay. Jump. It's okay. Really? What was that, Happy? Hi, Jacqueline. And Jess. How is Happy? Happy is 4 years old. He just turned 4. Boo is downstairs with Mila. Happy. You seen that other ladder, didn't you, Happy? I see you looking at it. It'll hold you, buddy. Oops. Happy. Yeah, so I was saying earlier, guys, we did 3 live videos. For some reason, none of them saved on Facebook yesterday. I don't know what happened last night, but we did have a lot of giveaways. But we have all the winners. We took screenshots, so all the winners, you guys, stay safe. I'm sorry that the videos got, I don't know, they didn't get deleted. They were not there. They didn't save for some reason. I don't know. One of them did initially, but last night they were all gone. Or actually this morning I noticed it. I don't know. Not sure what happened. Happy, why don't you come over here and give me some hugs? Thank you for the stars, Donna. Happy, why don't you come give me some hugs, man? Please. Please give me the hugs, Happy. There's Mike Saslaw. He was a winner last night. Yeah, Mike, I don't know what happened to the videos from last night. I went to look this morning and they were gone. Literally. Disappeared. I've never had that happen before. 3 lives from the same day. I was kind of like mad about it, but what you gonna do? I did everything like I always do, so apparently it was a Facebook glitch. Happy. What do you see? What is it? What is it, Happy? Is it that teddy bear on the sliding board? Is that what it is? That's what I think. That's what he's looking at. Are you gonna get him? Go, Happy. Calm, calm, calm. Hey. Hey, son. Come here. Happy. Happy. So I live in the country now. I don't stay up as late as I used to. It's like I go to bed a decent hour now. I live in the country. I get up early too. Have me some eggs in the morning. You like eggs, Happy? From the chickens? Happy. So I asked last night, and because the videos are gone, I wasn't able to go back and look at the comments about if you guys had any ideas about doing something with the fans to help build the outdoor enclosure. Like not asking for anything like that. Like what can we do? The people that want to help out, what can we do like to give back as a token of appreciation, so to speak? Like if for MonkeyBoo Land, because we may have it set up where some people, we'll let some people come and visit from time to time. It's going to be winter time now, so it won't be much fun. But we have an amazing place here. MonkeyBoo Land. So Erica's here. She does a lot of the social media stuff for us, a lot of the Facebook stuff, and she also does all of the Care Foundation's Facebook stuff for me and Boo and everybody. That stuff takes a lot of time to make those little short videos. They're short and sweet and funny and cute, but it takes time to make them like that. So she does an amazing job. So thank you, Erica. And she's at MonkeyBoo Land hanging out. She's the first person to get to stay in the guest room. You know. Ooh, Happy got 1,950 stars. Thank you guys. That was awesome. There's Tammy Lucico hanging out with Happy. Happy. I know, Happy. Yes, you can send a package to Cole. I still got to bring the other cat tower up, but I'm going to have to make some repairs to it. It's still in pretty good shape. It's just missing a couple bolts. I had some left over from his other cat tower, so I think we can get it fixed up. Oh, Happy did a jump. Emma's Daily. What does that say? Dilemmas. See you soon. I'm not sure what that means. I don't want a dilemma. Hi, handsome Pete and Happy, said Chris. Donna says she loves the playroom, Happy. We still got a few more things to add to it, but not a lot. I might put another swing like right there. You gotta jump over here? That's the jump I want. You did it earlier. He's like, move so I can jump. Oh, good job, Happy. Happy. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna come get him. Zoom in on me. Happy. You like it? Uh-oh. There we go. He's like, keep me centered. He's studying everything about the room. He's like, in case there's a situation, I'm fully prepared. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing the climbing wall in the outdoor enclosure. Thank you for sharing the live, guys. The outdoor enclosure. Actually, I have a cage. It's pretty good size. I'll have to have it reinforced a little bit. But it's a brand new cage. But I think for outside, I'd want it reinforced some. And we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do a concrete slab underneath it. But I already have a cage, but it's not as big as the original outdoor enclosure I wanted to do. I just have to see what we plan. But hopefully, over the winter time before spring, we're gonna, as we move into springtime and summer, we'll have it done for next year. And I want it to have a roof on it for shade and stuff like that too. Yeah. Happy this is fun. I get to lay here in the bean bag and chill. Everybody gets to watch you shoot a basket. Bill, I will shoot one. I think I shot one earlier. Was it earlier today I shot one? It was, I made it. It wasn't a clean swish, but it was definitely right down the pipe. There's the ball. Oh. So let me make sure I don't trip over nothing. From all the way across the room. All right, this is a little further than I did it earlier. The room is like 18 or 19 feet, so I'm way across here. And I gotta work around this stuff. Ready, Happy? Here we go. Wait a minute. Happy, you messed me up. He said, what'd I do? I'll get the football too. He's like, make it, Daddy. Shit. Happy's like, Daddy, you never miss. What's going on? He's like, are you okay, sir? Oops. That's slippery, Happy. I know. All right. That was in there. Happy. You want to get on Daddy's shoulder? Hey, oh, give me hugs. Give me some hugs. Hey. Let's see if Happy's still scared of the shelf. Oh, he jumped up there. What you gonna do now? Happy, come on, man. You climbed right down a while ago. Thank you for the stars, Carrie. Come on, Happy. You got right down there earlier. This rope will hold you. Bye, Happy. See you later. See you later, Happy. He's been doing it. He's just being dramatic. Come on, Happy. You can do it. Hello, Australia. Give me a Vegemite sandwich from Australia. No, I don't want a Vegemite sandwich. It's not, Vegemite is not the most tastiest thing I've ever eaten. I have to, it's bitter. Thank you, C. Raymond Rattif for the stars. Crystal, you're welcome for asking your question. Happy, you just gotta climb down that rope or the door or something. We'll wait all night. Hey, hey, silly Happy. You're being a baby. Where's that crazy flying monkey that jumps around? You could use your tail to climb down, Happy. So I can come down anytime I want. Is that right? Really? Really Happy. Hey, we're happy. I don't know what to tell you. I'm going over here. You ready to go, Happy? Come on. Let's go. Come on, Happy. I can't believe we're doing this again, Happy. You get down every time. Come on. He's like, well, I know I can use the door. I really want to try this rope, but I haven't climbed on it yet. Yeah, Happy's actually a little bit bigger than Boo now. Come on, Happy. Where's Mila and Boo? Come on, let's go see them. Come on, Happy. Let's go. Come on, Happy, let's go. See you later. Happy, everybody wants to be proud and go, yay, Happy. See him looking at the rope. He usually comes out to the door there and comes down. And he did jump earlier. Come on, Happy. Hurry. Don't you want your snack? Oh. He said, what did you say? Snack time? Come on, let's go get a snack. Who wants a treat? Who wants a treat? A monkey biscuit. Oh boy. Come on, Happy. Happy's playing on your guys' heartstrings. He's like, feel sorry for me. I'm stuck. There you go, Happy. That's a brave boy. Happy, I didn't put you up here. You got up here on your own. You jumped off my shoulder. So we'll be live until Happy comes down. Happy. Don't turn the light off. Happy loves light switches. So you have the other ones covered. Happy. Let's go, Happy. Come on. Happy, what are you doing, man? You hear something outside? Happy, there could be a bear out there, or a deer, or a bobcat, or it's just a squirrel. You never know. He's going to come down on his own. We're having a standoff. Happy. He's that best friend who got tired on me. Hey, Happy. What is that, Happy? I hear a doggy. Happy, you might have to save the day. Come on. Let's go. You ready? Are you ready? All right, Happy, come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Happy. See you later. See you, Happy. Bye. Bye, Happy. See you later. Really, man. Really happy? Happy, you do backflips. I've seen you jump from like 17 feet in the air on the stuff, and you won't jump. You won't climb down from there. Then I've seen you climb down from like 10 times now. Come on, man. Ow. Ow. He's like, yeah, I'm okay. He says, yeah, I am. So he's not wanting to get on my hand. Come on. Yeah. What's up with that, Happy? Why'd you do that, huh? Why you be like that? You gotta do one jump for me? One more jump? Which way you gonna jump? What jump you gonna do? Off the wall side? Come here. Come get my arm. Come get my shoulder. Come get my shoulder. Good boy. I know you'll do a jump from here. Come here. This way. Ready? There he goes. I knew you'd do it. So you just gotta learn, Happy. He's like, you tricked me, Daddy. Come get on my shoulder. You trust me still? Come here. Oh, he does. Okay. Now. Are you serious, Happy? Oh, Happy, we're falling. He's like, why you do that? Oh, that was a big jump, Happy. I'm trying to... Hurry up. One more jump. Oh. Can you do it, man? Jump. Good job, Happy. Come on. Can we get on my shoulder? Oh, that's a good boy. All right, so we're going to put this right here for a second, Happy. Come right here. Let me get him leashed back up before we take off through the house. And then look leash. Voila. Did you have fun, Happy? Turn the lights on. That light's hot, Happy. Monkeys! Hey. Hey, everybody. Hey, Boo. Hey, Mila. Let's go ahead and see what Happy's doing. What's going on here, Happy? Oh, Happy. Hey. Oh, everybody's being all talky-talky. All right, Mr. Happy. You had fun? Thank you guys for hanging out with us tonight. We'll see you guys tomorrow. There's a new video on Monkey Mila's YouTube channel if you guys want to go check it out. Mila's first time out with the chickens. Impressive, Mila. It was very impressive. Great video. Well, get everybody a kiss. Oh, he's a good boy. All right, thank you guys for hanging out with us. Thank you, everybody who sent stars out from the country for the night. We'll see you guys later. Tell them bye one more time. Happy. Say we love you guys.